Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Dekco outdoor security camera is not connecting, showing errors, or you just want to set it up fresh, this video is exactly what you need. Today I'll show you step by step how to reset your Dekco 2-pack outdoor security camera the right way. Quick, simple, and anyone can do it. Before we start, make sure your camera is plugged in into power because reset won't work if the device is off. Now let's do the reset. First, locate the reset button. On the Dekco outdoor camera, it is placed at the bottom, right next to the micro SD card slot. You might need to tilt the camera slightly up to find it. Now, press and hold the reset button. Keep holding it for 5 to 8 seconds. Don't release too early. After a few seconds, you should notice a blinking LED. This confirms the camera is resetting. Now here's something important that many people miss. After resetting, you should also remove the camera from your app. This ensures no old settings remains and fresh setup works smoothly. Then you can add the device again like a new camera. So you just need to use an app to connect the camera again. And that's it. Your Dekco camera is now fully reset and ready to use. And if this helped you, hit like and subscribe and check out more easy tech guides on the channel. See you in the next one. Thank you and have a blessed day.